Hello friends. So in this lecture we are going to cover the bucketing concept in Hive. We have seen partition concept where complete large dataset of a table is divided into different folders. Now here in bucketing we can control okay, divide my complete table into 5 files. So my complete data of table will be written in these 5 files. These 5 files are actually bucket. What happens in my data, I can tell Hive on a particular column, apply a hash function, and as per the hash value, select the bucket. So this is what bucketing is. Data will be written in Xbucket files based on hashing applied on given column. It provides faster query response like portioning. There are two issues with this also. We might end up with creating too many files which are small in size, and we are wasting space of Hadoop, which is 128 MB block. There also could be a possibility of skewed data. Skewed data means there are too much data in one bucket compared to others. So because of this unequal distribution, there could be possibility like our join queries and any other filtered queries are running slow. Let's start. To do bucketing, we have to set one property here. Set Hive enforce bucketing true. Now the syntax to create a table with bucket is create a normal table, then maintain clustered by, sorted by into two buckets. So let me explain you. Clustered by will tell the MapReduce job um, to divide data among reducer based on employee ID. And if we want to sort it, we can use sorted by. It's optional. We can avoid this part also. So just for learning purpose also, in next lecture we are going to cover this clustered by, sort by, and other um, aggregation on these functions in Hive into x number of files. If we want, the same is x number of buckets we have to mention. Then the format stored is ORC. So we are creating bucketed table, and the hash function will be applied on employee ID, which is mentioned under clustered by, and only two files will get created. Let's load data. Let's see at the backend how things are going on. This is my HDFS path. EMP underscore bucket is our table. So it's still running. Let's wait to get it completed. Also, in future lecture, you will see that bucketing will be used internally by Hive to apply or to achieve asset properties. So that's why we cannot do bucketing from our create statement if we are making transactional property to true. Also, from best practice, we should choose such columns which are having more unique values and mostly used in join queries. So there are a few types of joins which use this bucketing to make join faster. So remember this thing for interview purpose as well as for real-time project implementation. Choose those columns in bucketing which are mostly used in join queries or filter and having unique values. See, two files are getting created here. Some data into this file, rest in another file. Let's run select. If you use explain here, you will see, okay, not in explain, but you in description you can see how many bucket table has described, formatted. Yeah. So describe formatted will tell you number of buckets. We have seen this command in previous lecture also. Also it will tell you sort by that you have mentioned, the bucketing column, all details. So that was bucketing. Um, let's learn more thing into coming lectures, and please practice and keep learning. Thank you.